Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. Manang koi lecture number 2 climatology ki lecture number 2 the formation of Earth atmosphere yengra. Aduna Earth atmosphere shemba matamda stage hum changkhedana ko kai stage sangkhiba stage number 1 the loss of primordial atmosphere hydrogen helium gas to sun gi solar radiation na humdokhiba and then adugi matung da meteoric impact takpadagi resultant degassing thokiba tun stage 2 ni and then stage 3 da photosynthesis na lairamliba atmosphere do kamaina modify to boga haibudo koi khangre aduga last animated video amasu yengre ko yengdragadi lecture number 2 du yengbiu makha da link to share torokte adu yenga matungda sigi lecture se lakpiu ko aduna ngasi gi topic si yam nungai ba topic ni climatology layers of the earth's atmosphere adisina question ga unfold tawgani ko akoina khangiba akoina day to day life da akoina real life situation da thengnari ba etching kar kana kai gi ingino and then mathak ta kakhala kai gi no ingi se saba gi mota and then plane na kamai pai ba and then akoina huji scenery ba technology ICT based technology se akoigi radio web to based to ba se mobile phone boy gere any sort of communication device me amsi kamaina operate to boge kamaina chalai no kai charok pa ma khangani akoina ngasi gi session sida ko aduna ngasi gi session da akoina mapung oina part ahum thokna nainagani ihan han ba session da hariba geography static portion haibadi 5 layers layer manga je earth atmosphere gi ko troposphere mesosphere smai tawdana si myam je nainarni akoi layer ro ningsing na ba trick amasu khangani and then adui matung da hariba topic sidagi kai hangre in prelims da previous question da kai hangre and then mains ki oba model question ama yengani ko model question in the form of answer writing se kamain to bi and aduna sida atopa discipline ko yo UPSC gi mains examination da laiba GS paper 1 2 3 4 and feather bit essay word so here kamaina subject ama amaga interdisciplinary linkage ama sagat pa yabaga habido charak pa ma yengani am ten tak na ko aduna se sam na ko yam ko hilaroi si lair manga si ki leimai dagi ko leimai dagi mathak sum ka khalak tini ko ihan ham ba troposphere gi mathak ta stratosphere lay stratosphere gi mathak ta mesosphere gi mathak ta thermosphere lay and then why mathak ta exosphere lay ko troposphere ni akoin hoji jik lay se aina wangang iba noina pham iba myam si troposphere la da ngatani nong churiba atmospheric phenomena tadagi siguma myam se everything happens on the layer of troposphere to sidani atmospheric activities myam se troposphere ga stratosphere ga taina ba marakta tropopause hai ko tropopause na boundary ni si hek mathakta stratosphere lai stratosphere dani ozone layer lai je ko ozone hole ki concept khangbiramani and then sidani aeroplane pai je aeroplane je stratosphere ki mayai da pai de tropopause ko troposphere ga stratosphere ga loina ba mathakta charapna silai ganda aeroplane pai kai maram gi pai no because of absence of atmospheric phenomena adugini ko turbulence yam thoni dana aeroplane da adugi sigi hek mathakta mesosphere lai re and then adagi mesosphere gi mathakta thermosphere laire ko thermosphere sida laisi ionosphere and then radio transmission international space station ko thermosphere laire sida ne ba ionosphere ion myam yaurje aduna ne ba koina thagriba sidagi radio transmission myam electromagnetic wave na reflect tawga koina communication facility da mateng pang se ko aduga international space station ko astronaut myam na laije mathakta space research ki ko sida lai sigi space station je thermosphere layer se lai and then kwai mathakta exosphere si space ka collide to nei ko aduna hariba layer manga si akhone tu sida schematic diagrammatic representation yeng by to layers of atmosphere ha ga to troposphere 0 to 10 kilometer sida 10 na represent tawre adu bu troposphere ge layer se earth ki pole ga equator ga mai height khenei ko equator dane hena height wangi pole dane hena height nemi sigi matung da la ni adu explain tarokke troposphere layer troposphere to mount everest ka sida layer to see picture sidi ngo and then si mathakta stratosphere tropopause aina haigre boundary layer to ni and then sigi mathakta stratosphere dane aeroplane pai riba dei ozone layer lai je ozone depletion ni concept ko thoi je sida tu si layer ko and then mathakta sum chakha khare aduga mesosphere laire ko mesosphere laire and then to mesosphere si laire ko sidani meteorite myam changa ga mai bang bang cha ido ko asteroid tar ko matam da and then mesopause laire si mathak thermosphere laire ko to sida space station space shuttle ga laire satellite myam and then exosphere si in high grade space ka collude tong na ko sida graph am ye se magi temperature increase decrease concept ni hujik mathang da lake aduna to sida laire to yam line na khangba ya ba sida yong 0 13 50 18 500 aina 13 ire 10 ibe mota kai gin har kanda 13 is average height am lokpa aina high grade poles laiba height ka poles laiba troposphere gi height ka equator laiba troposphere gi height ka manade na adugi mean average am loktoga 13 kilometer na ibani explain ta okay and then sigi mathak da 50 80 now troposphere da akoina sum mathak ka khali gai temperature ji handar kani sam na akoina chinga khala kana ingdara ise ko kai maram gin ha kana it's because of a phenomenon called adiabatic lapse rate environmental lapse rate highness khoni mathang da lani aduna yam dai khango troposphere da ka khali gai temperature handar kani now stratosphere yo matam da ka khali gai temperature ji hengal kani taseng badi temperature ji ngatang constant on chalam ga mu hengalak bani ko but ncrt da sigi level sida pire aduna sida dum na energy to sidi on troposphere de on sida troposphere ki doba temperature ja handarani stratosphere yo budamu temperature hengalani mathang da mu handarani hengalani mathang da di hengakhani sida di yam laina handaba hangatpa increase decrease increase ko decrease increase and then increase exosphere de increase to orina because sun gi redu direct thomaga lare na sila ji da ko aduna sigi figure yang bagi akoina temperature gi magi train ama khange different layers ta now again layer amom si macha taina na energy moi layer ta laiba characteristic kai atmospheric phenomena thokpage haidana ko troposphere si magi range si 8 to 18 kilometer ni 8 sina poles ta 18 kilometer sina equator da kai gina har kanda equator di yamna sai and because of sabagi maram oibna laiba year do expand to thokre tawrobina mathakta wangkhatkre and sina reason number 1 ko warming of air and hence expansion of air expand tawrobina height yam wang logre na ko and then equator di earth's gravitational force and name as compared to poles gravitational force so name ni na nungsit mya nu mathakta paikhatkiba ko expand to hen mateng pangsamdo now again poles study poles has north pole south pole 90 degree north 90 degree south sidadi am gidawre gravity se wang sidam gravity the wang nungsit chapsal and plus laiba moi the laiba temperature si yam ingabari na kedor ka nungsit to expand to moment chapsal leba so there is huge atmospheric pressure on p do so aduna maram ani ni equator the wang was one because of lesser gravitational force of earth ki maram ama na reason number 1 and second na sabagi warming of air to ba sigi stock thokiba aduna side 18 kilometer range lay now poles na 8 kilometer ni adugi min height to lokhoga aina sida 13 kilometer na even ko so higher at the equator aduna khambiro troposphere gi height say it's always higher at the equator ko and then pole na nemi maram haiba bu sida laire ko and then okay troposphere gi appale adu tropopause ki hek bathak the stratosphere la ani ko and then aduna high atmospheric phenomena almost all of the atmospheric phenomena me am troposphere thoi because why kai you know cloud me am formation to ja sigi layer da neba obviously cloud layer bane atmospheric phenomena thoktan in terms of precipitation rainfall wagira and whatever ko now again other sida pole nung adu ma khang daga disile to 0 degree sini equator has the latitude ta 90 degree north 90 degree south and poles laire and then tropic of cancer laire ko 23.5 degree south tropic of capricorn akoi si geomorphology da phajana kupna naina kani now si yam basic oine na pan da bani india da tropic of cancer phau ba kai states siguma factors myam ji maru oi adu su lakani ko trick myam sinaraga koi memorize tawani koi gi brain the muscle memory the store taw laina ba ko and then sida concept am lai concept of adiabatic lapse rate or environmental lapse rate or standard lapse rate coming tongan man adiabatic lapse rate hanu khangnai sigi phenomenon je environmental lapse rate hanu khangnai or standard lapse rate hanu khangnai different names je khangjan ma thok tai na sanar pa ya examiner na UPSC examiner ko even UPSC da na trasu viewers na ya amna MPSC exam prepare tawba yaw ina sida chu sanar ku ya sina arji sam ni se khang masu yaw mani troposphere da mathak ta ka khale gai ingda ba kumdari gai warm ba kai mang si diong figure si diong 30 degree 20 degree 10 degree celsius mai rate ti fall in temperature as one goes upwards rate of fall ji kya no 165 meter ka khale gai 1 degree celsius drop rakani now in terms of kilometer the express to dadi 1 kilometer chatli gai 6.5 degree celsius drop to we have ni so si high riba phenomena si troposphere da occur to we ko aduna ne chingka mathak te ing ise chingdon mathak yobda un ga leichin ga thariba khoi ni khalang ani mathak ta ka khalin numit che nakshale na tro no alta le sha du na tro no kai no khoi mainly sar je ngarang lecture number 2 do sai ga sar je kai no than gi re do la earth surface form earth as a terrestrial body amoina sun radiation na mu reflect tor pone ba adu maram na sabane now mathak ta ka khat dadi earth ki surface ki sum lap thor idana na maisa do phang ta do gi ha adu bo hariba phenomena se it only occurs in it che troposphere the thok of phenomena ni ko si adiabatic lapse rate or environmental lapse rate or standard lapse rate mai maming tongan bani to sida le to amka figure je bab ta dragon to se dry adiabatic wet adiabatic ki concept lai sida yango bab ta ni and then 32 22 12 to si ni koina khang de se ko and then mathang da stratosphere la si tropopause ki hek mathak ta ya horga 50 kilometer ni lai je maun da temperature ji kamai tawi temperature je mathak ta ka khat le gai it will increase ko troposphere da handa bani na mongon hangalani sai le gi do decrease mai chat le na ko sai figure da so almost free from clouds hai se aduna ni hence ideal for aeroplanes aduna because to avoid the turbulence may avoid tong no gi dong tani and then presence of ozone layer mathau ji kana it protects from UV rays ko UV radiation ultraviolet radiation degi which is very harmful se high ba ozone layer ji 30 to 60 kilometer gi range ni lai je adubu cirrus cloud haidana at the lower layers the khara ui ko koina plane flight tong matam da dum cloud sang we si ni ko si de yaw picture je aduna at almost some atmospheric sung tok tabra haide mu la le ba sigi matang na kitang controversy ma cham le ko UPSC da mu question am hange sida adu ta so khoi ye makha da yang ani ko some atmospheric phenomena kitang di tho e ba ko now next ta mesosphere si stratosphere gi mathak ta sina till 80 kilometer bo lei almost atmospheric air the extremely rare ore sum wang hai phram ne aduna temperature ji ki dawre handara ani sida di ko sida ni meteorite ma na changak pada mai chai do ko sida photo om lai ra si and then mathang the thermosphere gi range 80 to 400 kilometer temperature rises rapidly ngasai graph to yeng dum khangani smai pha draga su ko graph si yeng dum khangani ngasai graph to fajana yakthok po kadam biu adubo sida a person would not feel warm because adu sida di atmospheric pressure do lai tredana aduna nupan draga nupi amna or any individual amana they would not feel warm because of extremely low atmospheric pressure sidene ionosphere lai the ions myam lai do ko high by electromagnetic waves myam thaktoraga they help in radio transmission ko si high by layer si the international space station satellites lai and then auroras ki picture ji hapak da there aurora si am thinking view ko aurora borealis ka yam phajabani northern hemisphere da kano di ubani ko exosphere last exosphere is the outermost layer ko outermost layer it almost collide with space ka tum collide tong nei ko now sidadi ki dawre temperature de hangale because ka direct sunlight exposed tawre ba sunlight ki ray da direct thom num sarena side the very light gases hydrogen helium flows hydrogen helium jam yang khang ko balloon daga hapi june helium gas ko and then aduna in conclusion ko in conclusion na khone kai tare layers of the earth's atmosphere je manga laire troposphere stratosphere mesosphere thermosphere exosphere mai khango trick have the most sana mo chidong the most ko mesosphere sida ozone layer do laire o ko os stratosphere troposphere exos di mapan laire no khangane exosphere thermosphere si ni khangani ko aduna ngasagi keno do amuka revise to voina ko temperature handare decrease ko sidana increase increase to because they are directly exposed to sunlight khangani aduna means ki model question oina akoi ngasai yam naina gre Smile hangani like Kairaga. Science geography power, scientific theory that. Smile comment on the economic significances of the various layers of the Earth's atmosphere. 150 watts or 200 watts or whatever. See that? Aside kind of geography temperature increase decrease had economic significance ka haja leje no question again. Others now kitang critically analyze to kitang analytical ability se kitang improve now answer writing format che akoina method ama follow to bu mathok tai the IBC method and IBC method si nga de khang pu introduction body and conclusion method and ko some IBC na some sort the high you one now sida kamai introduction and p answer sida obviously diagrams is indispensable part ni geography ni aside diagram reaction be ko magi temperature increase ki nataba layer tak tak na prithvi ko shalaga ko now sida aduna body the kamai la troposphere da kai thoke obviously ngasa high grade presence of clouds troposphere da laije cloud ne ba cloud le bane obviously atmospheric phenomena loi thwe atmospheric phenomena haibase precipitation in terms of rainfall snowfall adugumna high ba rainfall mayam sina kai dauge basic primary activities of a country of a nation ki agricultural activities salai ne now agricultural activities salai ta di high ba agricultural activity tholai ba output mayam na through manufacturing sector and then services sector mayam salai ja so obviously aduna they all these sectors high ba sector hum ja be it agriculture or manufacturing or services sector or they all contribute they all play a huge role in the contribution of a nation's gross domestic product to contribute to draw India the more than 50% of the rural population the agriculture sector they engage so troposphere na p by economic significance had that is seen and then stratosphere obviously aeroplanes now aeroplanes part of the transport and communication sector ni so demand and supply law of demand and supply demand fulfill in terms of goods and services and then jet stream the upper part of the stratosphere the more in the jet stream role in Indian monsoon system now Indian monsoon system na drop agriculture activities nangi south is monsoon season and then retreating monsoon season adu mo ko economic significance again mesosphere supersonic planes and then supersonic planes speed of the sound gi hena yang ba plane ko hypersonic plane ga su lai aduna 5 times the speed of the sound oibani and then number 4 the thermosphere da kai satellite lai draw satellite je kai da kana ge in terms of radio transmission activities lai ba koi gi satellite space station myam je so aduna hariba layer mangas gi economic significance hai da si o joni ko troposphere da diagram am yek pair ni the introduction masa pen a brief intro on atmospheric layers of the earth ko 1 to 2 lines see the me personal one hariba mi amaga manaro introduction ni tra body da si o joni troposphere da lai ba atmospheric phenomena thoi and then precipitation again in turn help in agricultural activities again agricultural activities drive the manufacturing and the services sector in the country they all play a huge role in the contribution of nations gross domestic product and then stratosphere like aeroplane give role in transport and communication sector and then jet stream in the Indian monsoon system and then mesosphere supersonic planes and thermosphere satellite in radio transmission activities so aduna what about conclusion that the a recent or contemporary issue on PY say related to global warming kamaina say hai balai manga sina troposphere atmospheric phenomena in terms of rainfall and monsoon system that naturally contribute to because of global warming activities ketang rainfall distribution da kaida disturb tawi aduna economic impact khara uba phangi guys mind pbi ko so a kind of answer to close and that recent or contemporary issue link to san yai haibani so aduna hariba sida model and bj I'm not saying that it's the best format but at least hariba questions you ketang sumaya susanaraga khumba yai na haibani now again prelims ta akhoi huzik pok session sida lai manga khangre ko question je hodringai da animated video ma hapak ko sim tanging view and then mains ki oiba model am khangre. Now prelims ta kay question hangre. Question number 1 2011 da smain hangi. A layer in the Earth's atmosphere called ionosphere facilitates radio communication. Why? Statement 1, the presence of ozone causes the reflection of radio waves to Earth. Number 2, radio waves have a very long wavelength. Statement 2 should be class 9 the science now again statement 1 the presence of ozone causes the reflection ozone this na wait ionosphere se ka diaoge ionosphere ko ozone is stratosphere da natro lei ja aduga ozone ga ionosphere kai mai lei sung lei na da totally different p je so answer is option number B need to only ozone ga reflection of radio wave ka mari sung lei na de ozone di UV protection the mana mating pang is ko ionosphere ni facilitate radio communication because of its property of reflecting electromagnetic waves. Number 2, the radio waves have a very long wavelength. Obviously, yes, now 2011 the long wavelength in terms of information transmit information signal transmit 2011 the jet aircrafts fly very easily and smoothly in the lower stratosphere. What could be the appropriate explanation? Jet aircraft in stratosphere lower stratosphere they are very easily and smoothly fly without any sort of turbulence dong dang correct statement number 1 there are no clouds or water vapor in the lower stratosphere. Number 2, there are no vertical winds in the lower stratosphere. Okay, see the UPSC na my answer ki option number C both 1 and 2 pire ko asai akhona nai da matamda cirrus cloud phange di ha ki but still pire ko ata say hoi akoina in toto smile lockdown in no clouds or water vapor so answer is option number C oi both 1 and 2 ko aduna akoina khangde troposphere layer da ni ko atmospheric phenomena na ge rainfall cyclone kuma loi thoi ja upliftment and subsidence of wind the air pressure suma loi thoi je troposphere da ni not in stratosphere ko akoina khangde je aduna option number C both 1 and 2 answer ni so sida loira lecture number 3 ko layers of the earth atmosphere aduna sida dum contact to biba yagani so email id email address and then Facebook address ko so thank you everyone have a nice day.